Hey guys, what's up? I am going to share with you today in this video exactly how you can change the thumbnail on a video that you have already uploaded to Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, so what I want you guys to know is I'm Heather Hyman, founder and owner of Sweet Tea Social Marketing, where I come alongside Christian business owners that need help with the power of social media so they can have more income, more influence, and be able to make more of an impact for Jesus. And I want you to know that I have been in the digital marketing space for nearly 20 years, coming alongside fantastic organizations like Chick-fil-A, authors, coaches, speakers, people that have locally based businesses, as well as those that have physical products. And I am here to tell you that Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter have been what I've been able to grow two of my own businesses on, and I've loved coming alongside those other businesses and helping them. So if you need ongoing help and support with the power of social media so you can grow your business, I would love for you to know, I'd love for you to follow me, subscribe right here to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you click that bell right here so you can be notified when we have a new video ready for you. So let's go ahead and do this and show you exactly how you can go ahead and change that thumbnail. Now, right here, we have a client of mine that I work with, White Hot Cinnamon Whiskey. And this is the video that we uploaded actually about 16 minutes ago. And everything is here, it's ready to go. But the thumbnail that Facebook has chosen is not necessarily one that I want to use. So here is how I'm going to edit it, and you'll be able to do the very same. You're going to want to, on your Facebook business profile, find these three dots right here in the middle of the screen, click on them, and go ahead and click on edit. And guess what? It's not there. Don't worry. Here's what you do. You go to the timestamp of the post. So I'm clicking on the 16 minutes, and then I'm going to pause it so you don't have to hear it. And I'm going to click on these three dots. And I'm going to get where it says edit video. Then you will kind of get this edit box that pops right up. I'm going to go ahead and actually give this a title. I'm going to say White Hot Cinnamon Whiskey July 2020 giveaway in Leesville, South Carolina. Okay, then you're going to right here where it says thumbnail, I'm going to click there, and you will see that it is going to give you several choices, and you can just literally tab through them. And so my question is, do I want it to be on some of the words, or do I want it to be on the slide with the people? Well, I'm going to actually choose this slide that says, come get a free bottle, because I think that that might capture people's attention the most. Once you choose the thumbnail that you would like, you pick it. If instead you would prefer to actually upload a custom image, you could choose to do that, and you would just click right here and say add image. When you're done, you literally click save, and then immediately that change is made. So I am going to just literally come here to this screen. I'm going to reload to refresh. Okay, so here you see it. Exactly the new image that I selected to be as the thumbnail. Guys, I hope that you have found this video to be helpful. I'd love for you to let me know in the comments below. Are you currently uploading your own video to Facebook? And then making sure that you go in and make sure that that thumbnail is optimized to be one that's going to capture people's attention, but most importantly, that it will get them to stop scrolling. I hope that you guys have had a super fantastic, blessed day. Be sure to stick with me here on YouTube for more tips on how you can use social media the right way to grow your business. Heather Hyman here with Sweet Tea Social Marketing. I'll see you in the next video.